We've got an update for you on the Biden Deportation Guidelines. Check out our video. All right, so the Biden administration has gone through their own back and forth with immigration policies and immigration procedures. When the Biden administration came into power, remember, in that very first week, they issued a ton of announcements, presented a new law to Congress, and got their agenda going immediately. A part of that agenda was the deportation guidelines and how they wanted to reduce deportations and really focus on just criminals rather than just anybody at large. Well, as always, we've got litigation, and some judge somewhere pointed out how the Biden administration can't do this or can't do that. Well, this administration is really smart, and what they've done is they've looked at all those court decisions and what they've been told, and they come up with new guidelines. So the new guidelines were issued this week. They're great. Essentially, the Biden administration is saying, we're focused on people who do harm. And harm is harming society, committing crimes, or hurting other people through fraud or business practices. And they focused on allowing individuals who are essentially contributors to stay in the United States. So first of all, elderly folks with family, not going to be a deportation priority. Second of all, agricultural workers, not going to be a deportation priority. Individuals who are do not pose any threat to national security make it on that list. Also, you see here very simple things such as they want ICE officers to evaluate every case on a case-by-case basis and not just throw a blanket on them, hey, you're illegal, we're going to get you deported. And finally, they say they want to acknowledge that undocumented individuals contribute to society. In fact, our agricultural workers and our agricultural system is highly dependent on workers that are mostly undocumented. So this deportation priority list has just come out. It's a guideline, and it's going to show that if you are here and you don't have papers, you don't need to be afraid. Okay? There are a good chance that you can present some evidence that you fit into a category of someone who's not documented. If you don't have an immigration attorney, you should talk to one. And you should find out if, hey, can I file a case for my brother or sister? Or file a case in another category? A lot of these categories have very long waits, especially from Mexico. It could be 25 years for a brother-sister case to become ready. So that sounds like a waste of time to you, but the truth is that could help you avoid deportation. And that's another way to look at immigration laws and another way to look at these deportation guidelines. All right, love to talk to you out there. Leave us a comment. We respond to those. We love a thumbs up and a subscribe because we're always putting videos out that help everybody out there. All right, stay safe out there. Bye.